There is breaking news on YouTube that starting July 15th, YouTube will start cracking down harder than ever on reused, AI-generated, and repetitive content. And yes, even small creators could get demonetized or lose their channels. This isn't just another boring policy update. It is a game changer. If you are using voiceovers, templates, automation tools, AI-generated videos, or even posting the same format over and over, this video could save your channel. So sit tight because I am going to be explaining what is changing, why it matters, and exactly what you need to do right now in order to stay safe and stay monetized. Hey creators, welcome back to my channel. It's Learn with Lydia, where we break down everything happening in the world of YouTube so that you can grow your channel the smart way. If you're serious about content creation, hit that like button and turn on the bell because this channel helps you stay ahead of changes like this. So, what exactly is the new policy about? Starting July 15th, 2025, YouTube is enforcing stricter rules on what they call reused content and low-effort automation. This means repetitive content, even your own, can be flagged if it adds no value. AI-generated content without originality, like auto voiceovers or text to videos without commentary, can be demonetized. Content made for mass production, such as videos that use the same formats across channels, will be reviewed more harshly. Even educational or faceless content that lacks personalization may no longer qualify for monetization. Misleading thumbnails or clickbait titles are being monitored aggressively. In other words, YouTube is officially raising the bar on what counts as creative or original content. Now, you may be thinking that this may only apply to big creators and not small creators, but that's not it, because this policy targets patterns and not popularity. This is because most small creators use tools like ChatGPT for scripting, InVideo for visuals, 11 Labs for voiceovers, TikTok re-uploads, or automated motivational reels. Again, if your content looks like it has been mass-produced or lacks human touch, YouTube may flag it. And this is already happening because we have seen channels getting their videos deleted. Some creators have also reported receiving warnings, while others are receiving instant demonetization with no detailed explanation. Now, let's look at some examples of what is allowed. Good practices. A faceless channel using an AI voice, or a faceless channel using AI voices but with original commentary, visuals, editing, and added value. Another is a motivational video that includes your personal story or curated thoughts with subtitles. Music and cutaways are actually considered good practice. Now let's look at the flagged ones. The bad practice. A good video with just stock footage plus robotic voice plus a generic script. Reposting TikTok without context. Using the same script with minor edits for 10 different videos. Then copy-pasting content across multiple channels. Please note that this isn't about banning AI. It's about making sure that your content feels unique, human, and valuable. Now let's talk about the solutions. What you should do to protect your channel. What you can do to protect your channel and how you can stay on YouTube's good book. I am going to give you 7 practical tips. Number 1, add your personality even if you use AI. Inject your opinion, humor, or commentary. Second is mix up your formats. Don't post the same type of video over and over again. Try new intros, visuals, pacing, and content angles. The third one is do voiceovers when possible. Even if you don't show your face, your voice adds originality. Also, try your level best to always use captions, zooms, emojis, and cuts, because this keeps your visuals engaging and unique. Then cite your sources, especially for educational or lifestyle videos. This builds trust and add value. Again, avoid over-polished, soulless content, because raw and real is better than fake and flawless. Lastly, and the 7th one, be transparent. Let your audience know how your videos are made, because people appreciate honesty. And the bottom line here is, if you are just copying, pasting, and posting, you are at risk. But if you are creating, crafting, and curating, you will be fine. So what YouTube said, the YouTube official statement, and here is the direct quote. I'll quote it just like they say. We are refining our monetization criteria to ensure creators bring originality and transformative value in their content. Reuse or repetition without context or commentary may result in demonetization. So there it is straight from YouTube that reused content isn't banned, but reuse without purpose is being removed. So I want to hear from you. Are you using automation or AI tools in your content? Are you worried about the new policy? I know many are worried as per now, but now you know the truth. Drop a comment below and I will be responding to as many as I can. And if you are unsure about a video you made, I'll give you the honest feedback. This policy may be scary, but honestly, it is a good reminder that authenticity wins. YouTube wants real creators, real voices, and real value. That's why they introduced that new feature, the altered content feature, into the system when you are uploading your video. Let me show you that feature. This is the feature I am talking about. Under your video details, right after show more, you'll see this altered content feature there. Like you can see, do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say or do anything they didn't say or do. Alters footage of real event or place. Generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. You are either to choose yes or no. Most creators tend to leave this part unattended, which sends not a good signal to YouTube algorithm. They introduced this feature for a reason. To follow YouTube's policy, you are required to tell us if your content is altered or synthetic and seems real. This includes realistic sounds or visuals made with AI or other tools. Then you can view examples under there. Selecting yes adds a disclosure to your content. You are supposed to either choose yes or no. Don't leave it unattended. It is equally good to clarify if your content is altered with, because it's all about transparency, trust, and safety in the age of AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your creator friends. See you in the next one. Bye bye.